Does your logo look like it was thrown away together in 5 minutes? The truth is, a professional logo isn't about adding lots of icons or effects. It is about keeping things simple, memorable, and easy to recognize. In this video, I will show you how to design a clean logo in Canva using only your phone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I share Canva tutorials, graphic design tips, and content creation strategies to help you create professional designs. Now we've opened our Canva and we want to create a clean logo right here on Canva. Canva already provides the ideal logo dimensions, so you don't need to worry about the sizing. When searching for logo, make sure you choose a simple logo. We have the modern, we have the minimal, we have the business logo. Choose a clean template. A template is a starting point. You customize it to fit your brand. Now let's search for business logo. I click on template and click on the search icon and type the business logo. Now here is the various logo that we can customize right here on Canva. And don't forget this, if you are a beginner and haven't subscribed to Canva Pro, when you want to customize any template, make sure you choose the one that doesn't have a cloud on them, unless you have subscribed to Canva Pro. That's when you have access to all templates on Canva. But if you haven't subscribed, choose a free one. So right here we have different business logo that we can customize. So let me choose this logo, which is SN. Now here is the logo that we want to customize. Let me duplicate it so that we can see before and after. Now let's customize the template. You replace the sample text with your own. Let me pick this. Let's change this to N. I will click on the edit just for sample. Then I will change the names. Let me click on edit again. The name is just for sample. Now I've edited. You can always change the fonts. You can always change the colors. So let me click on this D again. Let me scroll forward to the color. Let me choose the blue. And this D, let me choose the blue. You can also see now your logo should clearly represent your brand. And also when you change the font should communicate personality. Choose one that is easy to read and fit your brand. You can see that this font is still okay. So I can click on the name of the logo, then I will increase the size. So I click on the font size, then I will increase it. I can place it right here. I will click on the format to make the text be in the middle. You can see. I can increase it again. Let me click on the font size. Let me increase it again. So after that, let me drag the ruler this side. So I will go to the position. I will scroll forward to the position that I aligned in the center. So you can all see, and make sure you use your brand color. So this color I use just for sample, and you stick to 2 or 3 colors for a clean professional look. If there is any icon that relates to your business, you can search for any icon under the element. You click the element right here, you search the icons, And when you are customizing, don't force an icon into your logo. If it doesn't add value, leave it out. There's no need to go to the element to search for icons. If it doesn't have any value to your business, you leave it out. And make sure everything is aligned when you are customizing the logo. Make sure everything is aligned, like the text will align at the center. So let's click on the logo. Let's align at the center. I will go to the position again. Then I click align to the center. I will click on N. Then I will go to the position. I will click align. Well, let me just go back. I will click this undo at the top right here. Then I will click on nudge to move it forward. You can see. And after doing that, for me to make it both of them to align at the center, I will go to the more and group both the letters. I will click on select multiple. Then I will click on D. Then I will group it. You can see that I've grouped the letters. Then after that, I will go to the position. I will click align and align at the center. So you can see that both of them align at the center. And test your logo. You zoom it out. So you can see. You reduce the logo. If your logo is hard to read when it is small, make sure that you simplify it. And after you have done customizing the logo, the next thing is to do is to download the logo. What all you have to do is you click on this download button at the top right here. Then you click on download and you click the download. So I will select the page. The logo will customize in page 2, which shows the current page. Then I click done. Then you click on download. And that is how you design a professional logo in Canva using only your phone. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumb up, subscribe and turn on notification because I upload Canva tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.